We want to welcome you to this Ply Gem YouTube video. Today we're going to cover how to install the beautiful Ply Gem shutter systems. We're going to tell you about the different shutters we have, and it's really important that you install it with the care so you don't have any problems with the shutter or the vinyl siding. We're going to start off, before we show you the shutters, to show you the fastening options that come with all our shutters. All our shutters either have a painted steel screw, so it matches the shutter, or a plastic plug that also has a custom color match. So depending on your application, you have the different look and the different screw you can use to fasten the shutters. Let's talk about the different shutters, and then we're going to put one up and show you the right way to do it. We have three different styles. The first one is a raised panel shutter. Very, very common. You can see how nice it is. Our shutters are much better than the competition. The grain is in the right direction, and they're much deeper and thicker plastic. They're made out of polypropylene. So this is your raised panel. The next one is the louvered shutter, and you can see what it looks like. And again, we want to remind you, all the shutters we have, we're going to show you the board and batten shutters, but all three of the types of shutters vary in length. You can get them from 31 inches tall to 81 inches, and with the raised panel and louvered, you can get it in a 12-inch or 15-inch wide system. So there's a lot of options for you. But let's switch over to the board and batten, and that's the one we're going to actually install. The board and batten gives you a lot more options. Let's show you what we have. We have, the first option is 3 panel boards, and you can get this in open and closed. But let's show you exactly one of the benefits of these. You see the battens, this panel system, shutter system, has the ability to have a concealed fastener, and Eric's going to show you how that works. You actually just pull off the clip on one end. We're going to do this in a second. And then you slide the cover over, and then you can put those metal screws in there, and then you slide the cover over, and you just pop that clip back on. So we're going to show you how to do that. Let's show you the other option with board and battens. So the 3 board, you can do it 3 board opened or closed. Eric showed you the open one. Now on the 4 board, we're going to show you the option with the closed board. So they're tighter. It's a different look. It's whatever the homeowner wants. So this is the 4 board. It comes separated or tight, and it has the same type of batten system. So now you know what the options are. Let's go ahead and tell you how to install it. Now what's critical during the installation, he's going to pull the batten off. You want to make sure that you don't install these too tight. And what we're going to show you shortly here is that you have to drill the hole into the vinyl a little bit bigger than the diameter of the fastener. When we show you these 2 options, we're going to show you the screw option first. So Eric's going to take it, he has a drill bit that's exactly the same diameter of the metal screw. So he's going to take that and drill that through the shutter and into the vinyl and into the sheathing. Now, since it's a metal screw, we don't want to go very far, and he's going to make sure he gets the hole and hold it where we need it. And I'll go ahead and put a hole in there for the screw. And then he's going to pull that out, and we're going to pull the shutter down, and you can see the hole. Now he's going to quickly change bits and go to a bit. Show them, Eric, this is a 1/4 inch bigger than the diameter of the screw. So now this is very important. He's now going to drill through that vinyl, only through the vinyl, just to make it a little bit bigger. And we want to make sure you understand why. Now the vinyl can move around that faster. Let's put the shutter back up. He's going to change the drill bit. Now, Junior's hand, his left hand is on the bottom batten. Now, with the board and batten, you can either install it underneath and make it a concealed fastener, or you can put the plugs directly into the batten. Now, on the raised panel and louvered shutters, you don't have a concealed option. You have to go through the surface. So we're showing you that here. So for the plastic plug on the bottom batten, Eric is going to use a drill bit that's exactly the same size. Now on this one with the plastic, he's going to go all the way into the sheathing because a plastic plug requires you to do that. So he's going to go through the shutter, through the vinyl, and all the way into the substrate. So he's done that. We'll pull the shutter down. You can see where it is. And now he's going to take a little bit larger drill bit than the plastic plug, and he's going to make that hole a little bit bigger so that, again, that fastener will now have vinyl spacing around it so they can expand and contract. So we're all ready to install the shutter. We'll put the shutter right back on the wall at the same location. He's going to put the screw bit on, the drill bit. Now he's going to do the steel one first, the painted steel. He's going to send that through all the way through into the substrate, and it's just, and you don't want to do it too tight. Junior's going to push the batten over. Now he's going to change the, now he's going to use the plug, and he's going to hammer that in because we have a hole big enough. And again, this will go in here. Now remember, the critical thing here is not to screw or hit the batten to puncture the shutter. You just want it to the surface. Now this gives you both options, the plastic plug, which you can put into all the shutters, or you can do the concealed batten system underneath the batten. So we've shown you how to install it, the various parts. We sure appreciate you watching us how to put the shutters up, and hopefully you'll be able to install a lot of shutters on all your jobs in the future. Thanks for seeing our video.